Week. You just heard Ambassador Rice say that this has nothing to do with U.S. policy in the Middle East. It's all about that video that insults the Prophet Muhammad. Congressman, do you believe that?
Boy, I don't. I think this is a convenient effort by all of the groups who have other ulterior motives. If you remember, even I know the ambassador mentioned the Prophet Muhammad cartoons. Well, there were months that went by before violence was incited, and they did that through their own information operations, they being Al-Qaeda and other terrorist groups. And so we know that Al-Qaeda is clearly trying to use this to incite violence. The Middle East believes, the countries of the Middle East believe that there's a disengagement policy by the United States, and that lack of leadership there, or at least clarity on what our position is causing problems. If we all decide to rally around the video as the problem, we are going to make a serious mistake, and we're going to make, I think, diplomatic mistakes as we move forward if we think that's the only reason people are showing up at our embassy and trying to conduct acts of violence.